I'm the Grow Boss. This is my hydro store. And as much as I love playing Have You Ever Hydro with the crazy shit you guys invent with that big brain of yours, the reality is this is the saddest Have You Ever Hydro. Okay? Have you ever walked up to your garden, flung open the door, unzipped the tent flap, and looked over a canopy with a cola like this in every trellis hole? Have you ever done that? And if the answer is yes, congratulations. Otherwise, you may want to go to my website, pick up a copy of the Grow Book on Equipment Guide, thegrowboss.com, maybe get a 1-hour consult, definitely post pictures. You may also want to catch my YouTube live, 10 a.m. You can StreamYard in, we can look at your gardens, because if you answered no, what are you doing here?